Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to disconnect headphone to our phone. Guys, you want to disconnect this headphone to your Vivo Y53s phone. So guys, you can disconnect this headphone in your phone. And guys, let's see how to disconnect it. So guys, first of all, open your phone setting to disconnect this headphone. And guys, click on Bluetooth and device setting. Let's click on Bluetooth. As you can see, this board or guys we have connected in our phone. Then guys, now we will disconnect. So you can see the setting option. So I click here. Then as you can see disconnect option. So as you will click here. So with this headphone will disconnect in your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video. Bye.